So just here waiting for our first meal. We're at the crab, what's it called? Yeah, just waiting for the first meal. We're at the Rockery Crab Pasta House. Looks nice, smells good, got some good reviews, we'll check it out. Just see what it's saying. But look, it's a nice location, nice vibes around there, nice little square. It's in like the mall of like Boracay, but it's not really a mall, it's like outdoors, but it's shops, restaurants. Yeah, it's nice to look. So you've got all the restaurants around you. Around that side there's like little cafes, there's shops as well, for clothing and stuff, souvenirs, everything, electrical goods. Yeah, it's a nice vibe though. So we'll see what the food is then. We'll look at that later. But yeah, so far so good. So we've got here garlic rice. The portion is massive. It is a crazy amount. That's like one small portion. It's meant to be a small portion. Enormous. It's enough for like 4 people at least. Crazy. Here we've got the crab pasta. Portion's quite small, but let's try it and see. It might taste good. We'll see. The garlic rice is not bad. Could do some more like spices or seasoning or something, but yeah, it's alright. And veg. So here we've got the crab pasta. Yep, this is good. Very nice. Best crab pasta I had so far, and it only cost like £6. Very nice. Good portion as well. Decent amount of meat in it. Yeah, tasty. Very, very nice. Much better than the rice. 100%. So here we got the garlic stuffed calamari, and it is massive. It smells damn good. And it's only £6. Mad. And it's huge. We'll try it out in a second. Alright, so the verdict is the calamari or squid, whatever, is delicious. Stuffed with like onions, garlic, tomato. Super tasty, grilled to perfection. Very, very nice. Yeah, delicious. That's what it looks like inside. So good. So yeah, night time now in the mall area. In the Mall Avenue, it's called. Alright, let's walk up this way. Got a little Ferris wheel. This place is popular. What is this? Hello. Filipino food, okay. Traditional food here. Very popular, look at that. Packed in there. And you've got insal. Hello. We've got this place here. Ole. We've got Aladdin's. No, it's not under. There's loads of cats here. A lot of cats on this island, so if you're a cat person, this is a place for you. The chicken spot looks good though, look. It's packed. It's called Andox. Yeah, price is not bad. Hello. Got ice flakes here. Oh look, they've got another branch. This is a shaved ice spot. Delicious. It's flavoured shaved ice. Very, very nice. Oh, look at little puppies. Look at them. Very sweet. 2 of them chilling. Yeah, chill. Very cute. Yeah, it's a Saturday night, about 8 PM. Got a family still and stuff. There are bars as well. This is obviously a restaurant part. Look, dogs and cats are buddies here. Look, they share food together. They break bread. They like that. And check out this place, the Hobbit Tavern. Let's check out the menu. Hobbit Tavern. So it's quite popular. That's kind of mad. So all the workers there are actually small people. A bit controversial, but whoever owns it thinks it's a good idea, so I'll leave it to them. You've got a lot of choice for food there, to be fair. Obviously a lot of traditional food, but yeah, you've got American food there, you've got burgers, chips, pizza, chicken, fried chicken, McDonald's, the usual stuff. And prices are reasonable. Yeah, there's a few little market stalls outside as well. Of course, you got McDonald's. Standard. I want to see we've got apple pie. One sec. Yeah, have apple pie. We'll come back for that. So So they've got, what's this? Mushroom pepper steak. They've got a crispy chicken fillet with rice. That's different. We've got some fried chicken as well. Let's zoom in a bit. Obviously you've got your Big Mac. But yeah, that's different. Look at that. Mushroom chicken steak comes in a little pot with rice. Very unusual. All right. Yeah, so look, it's got a proper little strip outside of the area too. Nah, fine, thanks. Got a proper strip that's outside of the mall area and the beach area. Got a shawarma spot here, shawarma corner. We've got a lot of crab here, so seafood's good here actually, and it's cheap. If you're coming with pounds or dollars, obviously. For the famous Jollibee chicken here, it's a big one. Massive, like, standalone stores, huge. Very popular here. Jumbo crab over there. Check this, you got a Star Wars foot spa. You got king shrimp. Another crab spot. Red crab. And another live PA here. But some of them are quite good singers actually. Heard a few good ones. Yeah, crab and crab. I take it they do crab. Nice little river. So more little spots around there. Got a nice little fountain. Lovely seafood there. We got a live PA. Got a nice voice actually. The Felice Hotel looks nice. Nice square.